बड़ी गोली दी वजह भाई 100 मोबाइल निकाल सही है ना 100 तक तो हो गई थी 110 तक आ गई अरे शौक दे माइक माइक बच्चे कौन सा 45 है लिखें रेडी
कर दो आपने
लिखें लिखें इफ़ द accused fails to furnish his explanation within the period specified, comma, the inquiry officer or the inquiry committee, comma, as the case may be, comma, shall proceed with the inquiry, full stop. The inquiry officer or the inquiry committee, comma, as the case may be, shall hear the case from day to day and no adjournment shall be given, comma, except for reasons to be recorded in writing, full stop. However, comma, every adjournment, comma, with reasons therefore, comma, shall be, comma, for more than week, full stop, where the inquiry officer or the inquiry committee, comma, as the case may be, is satisfied that the accused is hampering or attempting to hamper the progress of the inquiry, comma, he or it shall administer a warning, and if, comma, thereafter, comma, he or it's satisfied that the accused is acting is disregard of the warning, comma, he or it shall record a finding to that effect and proceed to complete the inquiry in such manner as he or it thinks best suited to do substantial justice, full stop, paragraph. If the accused absents himself from the inquiry on medical grounds, he shall be deemed to have hampered or attempted to hamper the progress of the inquiry, comma, unless medical leave in view of the serious condition of the accused, comma, it may not be possible for him to appear before the medical board, comma, the board shall examine him at his residence, of which complete address must always be given in the leave application, and at which he must be available, full stop, provided that the inquiry may, comma, in its discretion sanction medical leave up to 7 days within the administration, comma, recommendation of the medical board, full stop. The inquiry officer or the inquiry committee, comma, as the case may be, shall complete the inquiry proceedings within a period of 60 days, comma, commencing from the last date of submission of the written defense by the accused, or within such further period as may be allowed by the authority, full stop. The inquiry officer / inquiry committee shall, comma, within 10 days of the conclusion of the proceedings, comma, in terms of sub rule 6, comma, determine whether the charge has been proved, full stop. If it is proposed to impose a minor penalty, the inquiry officer or the inquiry committee, comma, as the case may be, comma, shall, after affording the accused an opportunity of showing cause against the action proposed to be taken against him, a pass order accordingly, full stop, and information the authority of the action taken by it, and send the whole record of the case, full stop. The authority, comma, if dissatisfied, comma, with the quantum of the punishment awarded to the accused, may within 30 of the receipt of the case, comma, order initiation of de novo inquiry, or it may enhance the penalty after affording the accused a chance of being heard in person, full stop. If no order is passed within the stipulated period, comma, the minor penalty awarded by the inquiry officer slash inquiry committee, comma, as the case may be, shall attain finality, full stop. Attain finality.